provide a comprehensive solution for homeowners experiencing low or inconsistent water pressure. I'm Jeremiah Brody, and today I'll introduce you to Little Giant's all-in-one constant pressure boosting solution, the VersaBoost Pro. The VersaBoost Pro is designed to solve low or inconsistent water pressure for homeowners, delivering steady, reliable performance, no matter the demand. It's ideal for both new and existing homes, offering constant pressure boosting in single-family and large residential applications. The VersaBoost Pro is designed to handle all types of incoming water applications, municipal, cistern, and suction lift applications up to 25 feet. Choose from 2 models to match your needs. The VersaBoost Pro supports single-unit homes with flow rates up to 18 gallons per minute. The VersaBoost Pro XT handles light commercial or large multifamily setups with flow rates up to 25 gallons per minute. This compact system delivers trusted performance in a smart, all-in-one design. It's powered by the Franklin Electric 4-inch submersible pump motor assembly, developed for long-term life cycle. A built-in variable frequency drive maintains constant pressure and efficient water delivery, while protecting against power surges, pressure issues, overheating, and freezing. Choose from pressure settings anywhere between 14 and 80 psi to fit your needs. Every unit is wet tested at the factory to ensure dependable quality. It's certified for drinking water and operates quietly. It's rated NEMA 3R for indoor and outdoor use. It's also scalable for installing multiple units in parallel. This unit offers flexible installation options. Place it under a sink, in a basement, or in warmer climates outside. The rotatable top cover with the integrated display supports left to right in front or right to left in rear plumbing. Its all-in-one design eliminates the need for separate components found in traditional pressure boosting systems, like pressure tanks, pumps, sensors, and extra fittings, streamlining installation and reducing labor costs and time. Setup is simple. Place the unit, plumb the inlet and discharge, plug it in, use the auto setup assistant, answer a few simple questions, and the end user is enjoying better water pressure in minutes. The stainless steel connections with overmolded hex grips ensure durability and leak-free performance. Service is easy. Simply remove the top, front, and rear covers for full access. No need to disconnect the plumbing or move the unit away from the wall. For enhanced setup, troubleshooting, and wireless fault notifications, connect your product to FE Insight. Or for remote support, connect your product to FE Connect's one-to-one feature. To learn more about Little Giant's VersaBoost Pro series, visit littlegiant.com. Be sure to check out Franklin Tech for additional training videos. Thanks for watching.